Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Supercell game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game within which you wish to add your Supercell friends and make sure that you are logged in to your Supercell account. Tap on the menu icon and tap on your Supercell ID, and once you have logged in, you will see your account right away. Now you will be able to find the Add Friends button right at the home page. Tap on this button and you can use either their QR code or a profile link, and you can also add them using their player ID. Just choose whichever option is suitable for you and you will be asked to enter their player ID, their QR code, or the link to their profile. Just type in these credentials and tap on the search button, and once you find the person, just tap on the add button and this will send a friend request to this user. Once this person accepts your request, you will become friends with them right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on your Supercell game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.